Bank flow trades are where we instruct and recommend times to trade different currencies based on information we have on pending bank and institutional orders, which due to the volume they trade tend to move the market significantly. Our experience and results have shown this to be true. All of our postings are made at our website at forextradersdaily.com. This particular example was a trade made on February 12, 2008 on both the Australian US dollar and New Zealand US dollar. Our posting was made at 7:51 a.m. Eastern Time and recommended to sell the Australian US dollar at the 90.70 to 90.90 area, and also selling the New Zealand US dollar at around 79.30. This red vertical line denotes the candle that we made the recommendation on. This is the Australian US dollar. And as you can see, the recommendation was to sell at the 90.70 to 90.90 area. So during this time, it made a high of 90.70, a little bit of a drop, and then went on up and made a high around 90.80 before coming down and providing some good profits around 90.30. Then after trading within a tight range overnight, by the next morning, they had a nice move down to 89.60 area, which could have provided over 100 pips of profit potential on this particular trade within 24 hours. Taking a look at the New Zealand US dollar, the recommendation was to trade the New Zealand dollar around 79.30. As you can see, the market did make a spike up to around 79.55, around 25 pips above our entry level, before making a nice fall by the following morning, making a low around 78.30. So again, on this, we had a profit potential of around 100 pips of profit this trade. Next morning, there were two postings that were made. One was made later that afternoon after the trades were suggesting to move the stops on the Australian and New Zealand, moving to at least break even. They were still holding those trades for a position trade. And also, if you didn't want to hold it for a position trade, you could clear it for some decent profit of approximately 20 to 25 pips each on that particular trade. But then the following morning at around 9:50, again at that time the trades were both up over 200 pips combined.